Today I am translating Shah abdul latif Pitai's poetry. Kidi pavanda tariye jadeh gada gul ala tadeh milanda si. Let there be good and let good taste remain. It was not considered. You tell me crazy by taking my heart. You tell me crazy by taking my heart and accept yourself completely. After a breakup, there is no satisfaction. After a breakup, there is no satisfaction. Should never get so involved. After a breakup, there is no satisfaction. That feeling when red flowers bloom or branches, that feeling when red flowers bloom or branches, will be as if we are meeting. When the crime returns and voicemail around, we feel as if we are meeting. When the red flowers bloom or branches, will be as if we are meeting. When remembering your love, make chairs steam done like cheese like ball, will feel as if we are meeting. When the red flowers bloom or branches, will be as if we are meeting. Our days of separation is just like a mistake of destiny.